Hello, what's up guys? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video about Metahero token. What's going on in the Metahero? In this video I'm talking about the latest update guys, but before starting this video please click the subscribe button now for more news and updates videos. So subscribe now. Now guys, the currently live price of the Metahero, Hero token in the market 0.03042 USD dollar is the currently live price of the Hero in the market. And on the other side, if you look the changes over in the Hero, so negative 4.39% the price decrease in the last 24 hours. Oh my god, the changes is going wrong, but don't worry guys, everything will be okay now. It is the beginning of August. Possibilities guys that at the last of August the price will take a quick jump, so never lose hope, just hold for a long time. I hope that will make you millionaires. So guys, this time I recommend for all of you to please hold, never decide to sit. I know that currently in Android is the changes of the Metahero is going wrong, but that's not mean then you decide to sell. No guys, just hold for a long time, hope. It takes time guys. It is a trending coin in the market. A lot of people are going to invest in a Metahero, not a Bitcoin. You can see now they start pumping and they're in the pumping mood, but that is a temporary fast, so please hold, don't decide to sell. Anyways, what you think, what is your prediction, also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates.